So in this tutorial, we're gonna go over grouping, as in G-R-O-U-P-I-N-G, grouping. We're gonna group things. So for example, right now everything is individual, you know, and the only way to select a group is to select it all together. Oh, let me get rid of this first. Go into my channel box up here, this tab. Okay, so I'm gonna grab all of it. Okay, and I'm gonna go Control. For PCs it's Control. For Macs, I think is it Option? I think it's Option. Or is it Control? Anyway, it's the button that's at the bottom left corner. That's what it is. Hit G. So now when you hit G, so anyway, to undo, I'm gonna undo that. I don't want to say hit G and then you guys get confused thinking it's the repeat the last command. It's Control, hold down Control and press G. That is the command shortcut to do grouping. Control G. Alright. For Macs, I think it's either Option G or Command G. Whatever. So I just grouped it. If you look over here, it says Group 1. And if you look closely, there's a little plus sign. I'm gonna hit that. Now inside of it, you have all your other objects. Okay. So when I select it, it selects it as a group. And if you look in the channel box, it says Group 1. I want to rename this. I want to name this Adidas Group. Adidas Group. Okay, but if you notice, the handles for it to control it is placed at the top. I'm gonna hide my other objects. Okay. Go back and select it. I don't want it there. I want it to be at the bottom. Okay, in the middle, bottom. So I'm gonna hit spacebar. I'm gonna go into my front view. Again, I'm gonna hit D as in David. And I'm gonna grab my Y arrow, which is green, but right now it's highlighted as yellow. And I'm gonna yank it down and just eyeball it down around there and let go. Again, that is, hold down D, it activates it. Do not touch these other things. Just grab the arrow, Y-axis arrow, drag it down, eyeball it right around here so it's level to this touch point. Hit the space bar and we're right here. Okay, the space bar again, space bar. As you can see, here's our 3D world, here's our 0, and it's perfectly like that. So that's good. Okay, so that's done. Next thing, I want to rearrange some things. Oh, well, you know what? Let's say you keep on going in here to grab it as a group. Sometimes it gets annoying, so what you can do is grab any one of these, hit the up arrow, and it's a shortcut to grab the group. Again, grab any one of these or a couple of these, hit the up arrow, meaning on the keyboard, up, and it will go up the hierarchy and grab the top group. Okay. Next thing, I'm just nitpicking, but you see how it's set up as a ladder. You know, what I want to do is I want to make sure this A is up here. Right now all the letters are kind of mixed up, so I'm gonna grab this A, I'm gonna hover over it, I'm gonna hold down the middle button. See how it changed? Okay. Grab it, hold down the middle button, and I'm gonna drag it up. Not on top of the D2, but on over it like that. You see that? It's not that box. I'm gonna let go. See? Then I'm gonna grab D1, which is this one. I'm gonna hover over it, hold down the middle mouse button, drag, and put it over there. Now like this, if I do that, it's gonna dump it inside of A1. See, I don't want that. So I'm gonna grab it again, drag it up, middle mouse button, and put it right underneath it so that there's no box. Okay, next one, I'm gonna middle mouse drag, put it right underneath it where it's just a line, dotted line. Grab the next one, that's perfect, this one, and this one. Now it's in perfect hierarchical order. Alright, good. So everything's cleaned out. Next tutorial, we're gonna learn to delete history for our inside objects. You got all this history. We're gonna delete it. I'm gonna explain why we're going to delete it. And next thing is we're gonna also group these guys, and we're also going to delete the history. Okay. Alright, so that is the end of this tutorial.